Good morning, guys. Currently, the market is 9:33. You can see clearly that today the market gapped up in Banknifty as well as Nifty. And yesterday, you can see around 470 points of gap up and clearly signifying that the market is clearly bullish. And what you can see here is that after gapping up, market formed a kind of trendline liquidity, clearly signifying some kind of bearishness over here. After this trendline liquidity, here market swept down, grabbed that liquidity, and now is the market is trying to move higher. You can see clearly that price multiple rejection of price from here, and the market closed above this bullish, broke this wave up towards the upside, and again the market faced some kind of rejection here, clearly signifying the bullishness is there. But following this candle, you can see it completely broke this, engulfed this and this moving average, clearly forming another trendline liquidity like this. What we need to see here is that we need a close above this zone, above this VWAP level. Only then we can consider the market to be bullish. A close above this zone is how we can consider the market to be bullish, or else there are high chance the market will go down. You can see clearly after this break of this candle towards the downside, following another equal size bullish candle, piercing this bearish candle. All those sellers who have entered this market, clearly this bullish momentum kind of, there's so much of liquidity, guys. You can see there is no proper or a clear direction in the market. What we need to expect is a close above this zone, guys. A good engulfing candle over here. You can see the market grab this liquidity of those people who might have sold their positions here, who might have bought their positions here, expecting the market to go further high. This was just another grabbing liquidity. And what we can expect is that you can see all those sellers also are taken out, and all those buyers who might have entered here, here, keeping their stop loss just below this are also gone. So what we need to know is that now there is a very high probability that you can see this liquidity over here. There's high probability that the market would continue further buying. And if you try to plot this range of this candle, you can see the price might take support from this above this candle and continue further upward momentum. You can see here you need to see some kind of rejection. You can see rejection candle over here, and a close below this candle is definitely there is no clear direction, and there is high chance the market will move sideways. It's not what we are looking for. We need some bullish momentum over here. The price is consolidating after this bullishness, and if you try to plot the fib of this level, so this zone, you can see here there is a lot of consolidation. This is the 550. So what we need to look for is that the high chance that the market would take support from here and continue further bullishness. It is a very high probability, guys. If market closes below this zone, the high chance the market would be bearish, or else there is further bullish momentum. You can see clearly the market engulfed this previous bullish candle, bearish candle, and piercing this candle also. There is a good sign that the market is being bullish, and we need to see a close above this candle high. Only then we can consider the market to be clearly bullish, and the high probability the market would continue further upside. And for target points, we can see that if you consider this swing low, the high to this zone, and if you look for upside, you can see clearly you can target this level, guys. This is the level where you could clearly target at around 48,700, or we can consider the retracement of this, the common point between this and the common point between this. You could easily consider the 100% level over here, or 1.618 level. You can also consider this target also, the 48,600. This is the 1.68 level. The high chance of the market would go reach this level. This is a minimum target, guys. You can expect either at 48,700 or 48,670. You can see clearly that the market is being bullish, and even moving averages and VWAP are in confluence. You can see this is the VWAP and this is the 9 moving average, clearly signifying that the market is bullish, and price is trading above the VWAP as well as the 9 moving average. So a high chance the market would go bullish from here. If you try to plot long position here, keeping your stop loss just below, you can easily target a high of here. Let's keep a target here. But you can see here there is kind of selling zone over here. So as long as this zone is being taken out, there is a very less chance. But you can see our stop loss has been hit. So as we know, let's consider this WIB 50 level. It closed below this WIB 50 level. We'll exit our position. You can see the price again broke this towards the downside again, trying to go above this VWAP level. You can see this is the day VWAP level. So as the markets are very volatile, it's good to keep a wider stop loss. You can see clearly the market is bullish. It broke this zone. If this zone is being broken towards the upside, you can see again the market is facing kind of rejection from this zone. This is a zone. We need a clear break of this structure, guys. And if you see some clear break of this structure towards the upside, the high chance the market again would take support here and continue further buying over here. Close above this high is what we can expect. But we have already taken a long position here, keeping our stop loss just below this zone. We can expect a huge bullish momentum from here, guys. Here you can see, guys, that the price didn't close above this zone, as I have marked you this zone. And what happened is that even it broke this structure, there was no close above this zone. And following candle, you can see clearly engulfing these two bullish candles, changing the market sentiment from bullish to bearish. But if you try to plot this level, you can see clearly it's better to hold on to your position as long as it doesn't crosses this VWAP level. You can see clearly that the market again took support from this VWAP level. This is the day VWAP level. If again it doesn't crosses the fib of this candle, the high chances that the market will continue bearishness. You can see clearly this is the candle, and we are expecting a close above this candle, guys. And for bearish, a close below this VWAP level or this fib levels. So now we won't consider this to be a zone. Now we consider this to be a zone for upside, and this is the fib level. This is the zone. So you can see clearly this zone and this zone, guys. As long as the price breaks either of this zone, we would continue either bullish or bearishness. So if the market continues and breaks above this zone, the high chance that the market would go further bullish. And if it breaks this zone, the high chance that the market will continue further bearish. You can see clearly the market is rallying all the way to this zone. We are expecting a further bullishness over here. And we have kept our target to be either this or this levels. We are expecting an equal size bullish candle, but we are not expecting this kind of rejections from here. But we are still holding our positions. So you can see another kind of rejection, guys, clearly. And if it closes below this view or any fib of this level, there are high chances the market will continue further downward momentum, changing the market sentiment from bullish to bearish. But here, currently the market is very bullish, guys. This is just a manipulation candle, as of my knowledge. Only if this 50 level is being pushed towards the upside, the high chances the market will continue to be very bullish. The high chances it might go all the way even to 4900 level. So since the market has capped up, all those sellers who might have sold their position here, might have already exited their position. And here there might be high bullishness because all those people who might have sold here might have or call positions, keeping their stop losses here just below these pips. And there might be further continuation towards the upside. You can see clearly that the market even broke this pip level. And now there is no use of this zone because there is high chances the market will continue further bullish and even break this structure high. And for another 2 to 3 days, there is high chances the market will continue further bullishness, changing the overall perspective of the market direction. From here, you can see clearly the market is being bearish. And now you can see clearly the market sentiment is being bullish. Look at this, guys. The market came all the way to our zone. This is the 1.618 level. There are high chances that even this level will be broken. towards the upside, and there are high chances the market would reach. See, look at this, guys. One, our target has been hit, guys. Our target has been clearly hit. If you look at this Nifty, you could have taken at 150. The market has reached all the way to 193. Look at this, guys. There are high chances the market would continue further bullishness since this rally clearly signifies the market is being clearly bullish. So there are high chances this further bullishness would continue because a lot of buying pressure is taking place. So if you try to plot the fib of these levels, the common point between this to the common point between this, you can see the 1.6 level target has been done. So the next target where you can expect the market to go is here, guys. This is the 2.68 level. So we'll try all the way to 2.68 level. Or if the market is clearly bullish, we would go all the way to here as well, guys. So let's hold on to your position. Now you can keep your stop loss midway between these zones or here. Here you can see clearly the market reached all the way to our 1.618 level. Again, the market is retracing. So there are high chances that the price may take support over here and continue further bullishness. Or if you try to plot the anchor way up level, there are high chances the market would. You can see this kind of selling pressure, there are high chances that this zone will be broken down. If you consider the last down candle, you can see this rejection from this 21 moving average, clearly signifying some kind of bullishness. So there are high chances that this zone might act as some kind of support. If it closes below this zone, we would exit our position. This aggressive downward momentum is not what we have expected, but what we need to see is that close above this zone. So if you consider this to be our bearish outlook, a close above this 550 level of this swing is what we need to consider for this to continue further buying. So what we need to expect is that the market would close like this bullish candles, or if the market is clearly bearish, this 9 moving average can act as resistance. But clearly you can see the market is closing above this zone, indicating further bullishness. You can see still buying pressure is coming, and we need a close above this candle. You can see a close above this 550 level, and you can see further buying gonna happen. And if you try to plot this candle, there's high chances that the price would reject from this 550 of this candle and continue further buying towards the upside. And we are not expecting a close below this candle, guys, because as long as there is bullish momentum, the people who might have bought here are very good buyers, because after this swing low, this reversal candle is quite very important for changing the market sentiment. So what we can expect is that the price shouldn't close below this low, and the price should continue further buying towards the upside. So what we can see is another bullish candle over here is what we need to expect now. So this is the wave of that candle. The high chances that the price might take support again from this zone, but what we need to know is this candle should close above this previous candle high. And let's wait and watch, guys. Close below this candle is not we are expecting. You can see rejection of price from this 9 moving average, clearly indicating bullishness. You can see this kind of rejection from this candle. You can see again the market is trying to go low. We should always wait for the close, guys. As long as the market doesn't close, you can't make decisions, as I've shown you. But here you can see clear trendline liquidity over here. This liquidity is kind of weak. The high chances that this liquidity will be broken towards the upside, and you can expect new highs over here. The high chance that the market would go all the way to 26, this level 2. And a close below this candle is not we are expecting. This is just a rejection. You can see clearly the market closed. Still there is 6 seconds left. So the high chances might go bullish also. Look at this, guys. It didn't close below this candle. You can see rejection of price. And you can see another bullish momentum. This is what we need, guys. This is what trade confluence is. I told you it closed below this candle, but what happened is the market went all the way here, price rejection. And I'm telling you guys who are wants to take long position can go long position at 585, keeping your stop loss just below this candle. And there is a very high probability that the market will go all the way bullish. If you try to plot the Fib extinction levels, the common point between this and the common point between this, there is very high chance that the market will, let's take keep this as one side and this on the other side. If you want to go positions, you can exit a long position keeping your stop loss here. And there is very high chances the market will go all the way to this level. This is the 100% move. And this is another, the 1.68 level. And if the market is again bullish, there are high chance the market would continue further buying. So this is our minimum target, guys. This is another move where you can take long position, keeping your stop loss just below. There are high chances the market would continue further bullishness. But what we need to see is that for better confluences, it should break this high, guys. This bullish candle's high broken towards the upside. There is high chances that the market will continue further buying and keeping our stop loss just below here also. We're expecting further bullishness. You can see the market is being bullish and the market trying to close above this high. The market has already closed above this zone. So there is no point of this zone over here. And this trend line liquidity has been broken. You can take this out. And this range also you can take this out. Look at this, guys. The market even broke its structure towards the upside. There are high chances to reach this zone, the 100% move. Or if the market is clearly bullish, there are high chances that the market will continue all the way to 1.68 level. So just hold on to your position, guys. This target is minimum target, guys. The very minimum target. You can see clearly the market came all the way here. You can further continue towards the upside. You can see this 100% move has been hit. This is the 100% level. This is what we are expecting, guys. I told you. And even this 2.618 level also has been hit. This is the confluence, guys, what we need. This is what we are trading for. Look at this, guys. The next target is 1.68 level. There is very high probability the market would go all the way to 1.68 level. So this 100% target is done. This 2.68 level target is done. So our target next is the 1.68 level. There is high chances the market even might break this 1.68 level and continue further higher also. You can see the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this. This is the 1.68 level. And you can even expect the market to go all the way here also. This is the 2.68 level. So we'll hold on to our position, guys. This is the minimum target where I'm expecting. And you can see the market is consolidating here. This consolidation of price above this 9 moving average is clearly bullish, guys. This kind of consolidation is clearly bullish. You can enter long position if you find such kind of consolidation here. You can the down move and the up move. You can enter long position just below this candle and keeping your stop loss just below here. This is what I'm expecting and targeting a minimum of 1.68 level. This is another confluence, guys, for you to take long position. You can clearly expect further bullishness over here to continue further towards the upside. Look at this, guys. You can expect all the way to 1.68 level as well. You can enter long position here. There's high chances the market would go all the way to 1.68 level. Or you can take your stop loss just here also. You can see this kind of rejection. And if you mark this zone, it is 58 level, 58 700 level. But let's wait and watch, guys. We have already placed our stop loss here. So the very high chance that the market would go bullish here. This target has been hit. So you can see clearly that our target here was 2.68 level. This also has been hit. So we are taking, what we are trying to learn here is that some people after this bullish momentum, You might have thought, okay, the market has moved far away from here, so there is no point of buying here also, since they have some kind of panic. Because what if the market would go down here? But out of my trade experiences, guys, I'm telling you that if you see some kind of bullish momentum and the market is consolidating in this kind of pattern, which where the price here is above the 9 moving average as well as 21 moving average, there is very good chance that the market would face some kind of rejection here and continue further buying towards the upside. You can see there is some kind of rejection. What I'm expecting is that the price might form a wick here and close above this 9 moving average. See, I told you guys, the market came all the way here because this was the low. So we can keep it just below this low candle. I just placed it just on the low itself, but the market didn't come till the low. But we can expect it. Like if it closes below this low is what I will exit my position, guys. Not the market coming to this low. If the price closes below this low is what I'm telling you. You can see clearly this rejection. You can clearly buy now, guys. If you buy here, there is very high chances the market will go all the way here. And people who wants to buy can enter long position here. Here you can see the market clearly consolidated towards this sideways, took support from this 9 moving average and rallied upwards. You can see here also the market came here, took support from this 9 moving average, broke structure, again retraced back, took again support over here. After this bullish candle, I told you to enter long position. You could have entered long position here. If I would have told you, this is where I told you guys. You can see price didn't close below this VWAP level. And after this bullish candle, I told you to enter long position. You could have clearly entered long position here. And in a bank nifty, you can see here after this break of this candle at 157 to 259, all the way 100 points of profit gain. If you had entered here in my smart chart, giving a stop loss just below, you could have targeted all the way here. Is what I have taught you here. And our 2.6 level is being targeted. As long as it doesn't close us below this zone, let's look for bullishness. And when our target is reached here, we'll exit all our positions and say goodbye today. Done for the day. This is what we are expecting. A close and reach of price towards this level. So I'm just holding on to my position, guys, keeping my stop loss just below here. And this 1.68 level target is what I'm expecting. So what we can see here is that trend line liquidity over here. So this kind of consolidation after this kind of bullish momentum clearly signifies the market is more bullish, and there are very high chances of the market would go all the way to this zone, or if very bullish, there is very good chances again to reach all the way to 2.68 level. So let's wait and watch, guys. If it closes below this candle, we'll exit our position. This close of this candle is not what we are expecting. You can even enter long position, guys. Here also, after this dodge rejection of price, a lot of buyers might have entered. To take out those buyers who might have entered here, you can see some kind of consolidation. But you never know, guys, because the market condition is always fractal. Even there are high probability the market will go again further down, targeting these buyers also. But what confidence we have is that, okay, if the market even goes below, we have placed our stop loss here. So it close below this candle where our positions will be exited. But you can see clearly that after this bullish momentum, the market consolidated and further bullish momentum is what we are expecting. So if you try to plot the common point between here, and the common point between here, there is very high chances the market would go all the way to this level as well. So instead of targeting the 1.68 level, we target this position, guys. This is where I'm targeting 48,900 level. You can see clearly this is our minimum target, what we are expecting, or this is one target, another target where we are expecting. This is another target we are expecting, another target is here. So the price, the high chances will come here, here, or else here if it is really bullish. In Bank Nifty, put premiums, guys. You can see clearly the market has gapped down, but after the market has gapped down, like there is a loss of around 240 points here, guys. But you can see that this bullish momentum towards the upside, but in put side, there is no bearishness over here, guys. This is what I'm quite concerned about, whether this trend is going to exhaust or further bullishness is going to continue. Because there is no premium moments in the put side. You can see what we can expect is that after some kind of bullish momentum here, bullishness, And what we could have expected is the market would have gone this way, as since you can see this bullishness towards the upside. The same we can expect a bearishness towards the downside. But what is happening here is that if you zoom in clearly, you can see this kind of consolidation, guys. Here you can see some kind of bullishness over here. Even the market kind of moved sideways. Here you can see there is some kind of bullishness over here, and you can see price retracing took support from this VWAP level. Look at this, guys. The price taking support from the VWAP, and there are high chances the market would continue further buying also, since there is support over here. Since there is support over here, you can see bullishness over here. This is what I was thinking, but I'm not sure, guys. Let's wait and watch. There are high chances that the market might even face rejection from this zone and continue further selling towards the downside. And if you look at spot chart over here, you can see we are expecting a close of price below this candle, guys. But after this bullishness, no, guys, after this kind of support and bullishness, there is high chances after these two candles, if the market is clearly bullish, the market would continue further like this and further like this. This is what we are expected. This momentum, this these two candles, guys, is where we need to exit our position because it clearly signifies these two candles being very bearish. So it's better to exit my position, guys, because I'm not convinced with this bullishness to go any further about this candle. Only if it breaks this high, only then there is high chances that the market would go. But you can see the price didn't even close as the zone which we have marked here. So let's hold on to our position if you can expect some kind of bullishness. But on by my perspective here is that I will exit my position, guys, because you can see clearly when the price took support from here, there is high chances that the market will continue further bullishness. But these two candles change my perspective from being bullish to bearish. So I'm not sure, guys, whether this momentum will continue further upside. So if you try to plot this bearishness towards the downside, if the price doesn't close us above this zone, guys, this is the 50 level. As long as the price doesn't close above this high, there's high chances the market will continue further bearish, and you can expect the market to go all the way to this zone as well. So what we are thinking is a close above this high, guys. My long position has been taken out as this is the bullishness. A close above this zone is bearish, and a close above this zone is bullish, guys. You can see clearly. And I have marked you clearly these two zones, guys. This is what we are expecting. A close of candle below this zone and a close above this can. We can look for buy opportunities and look for sell opportunities as well. I exited my position, guys, and there is nothing I need to worry about. You can see even premium decaying here and price forming some kind of support over here, clearly indicating some kind of bullishness. So it's better to exit our positions. And even here also there is premium decay. You can see clearly there is a lot of decay over here. In as today's Sensex expiry, we could have easily entered long position at 300 and gone all the way here. But let's hold on. If it closes here, guys, you can easily enter short position here, keeping your stop loss above this high. But you can see clearly the price is facing some kind of rejection, guys, here, and clearly indicating some kind of bullishness. And you can see this trend line liquidity over here. This is one such kind of trend line liquidity. So the price may take support here and continue further buying. So as long as it doesn't close, it's better to hold. And our long positions is still here. This is for general perspective only. And you can see this trend line liquidity. This is one kind of trend line liquidity. Another liquidity you can see is here. This is clear, another trend line liquidity. The high chances since it's trading above this 9 as well as 21 moving average. When it breaks above this high, you can look for long positions here, expecting the market to go all the way to 1.68 level. You see the market has closed above this zone and price didn't close below this level. So our position is still in bull hold. And if you look for Banknifty, you can see the price went here, faced some kind of rejection and this downward candle. But there is no much premium move, guys. We want good premium moves over here, but it's fine. We can expect further bullishness. Even also the price here is not closing above. Now the price has closed. You can see the market would go all the way here to 1.68 level. There is high chances that the market took support over here and reach all the way to 1.68 level, guys. So this is my target. Or if the market is clearly bullish, this is another target of ours where we can expect the price to go here. Or if the market is again bullish, we can trial all our stop loss all the way to here as well. So for time being, first let's target the 1.68 level. This is our target. So when our target is hit, we will exit our position or we'll just trial our stop losses. And you can see clearly. I'll go have some breakfast, guys. I will be coming back. It is, guys. As I have told you earlier, the market didn't close below this level and broke this level towards the upside, and the market went all the way to 1.68 level. This was our target. So the market went, and this was just our, if the market sustains above or closes above these levels, we would continue further buying towards the upside. But here you can see after it reaches the 1.68 level, you can see this two bullish candle looks like a sell-off candle, clearly signifying exhaust of the bullishness over here and rejection of price from this zone as well, clearly indicating bearishness. So you can see, guys, it reached all the way to 1.68 level. And if you might have seen on spot chart, you can see clearly it went all the way to 300. Uh, we have exited around 260. It would have gone all the way to 300. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Keep trading, keep learning. Thank you, guys.